What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not working issue or camera failed error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the camera will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera app. Tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the camera app. So to clear it, tap on clear data and then select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory of camera app, the camera failed error will be fixed. But somehow if you're still facing the same issue while using camera, then the last solution is try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update the phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone software, the camera failed error will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera not working or camera failed error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.